What's up guys, I'm Nick and today we're going to be drawing Squirtle. Okay, so I really wanted to draw some Pokemon, so I started with Squirtle, because Squirtle's who I always chose when I was playing Pokemon on the Game Boy when I was little. So a lot of people, when they're doing Pokemon or they're following videos on how to, they'll just go straight in with a pen and they won't really plan anything out. They'll just think, oh, I'll start with the eyes because they're the easiest bits, and then just carry on from there. But unless you're some sort of expert, it's always going to be a disaster, because you end up with like that one arm too big, or like his head tiny, or the eyes in the wrong place. And I think I've done all right actually here, but it could have been a lot better. And you can see it's gone off the edge of the page because I haven't planned it out. In my One Punch video, I put it up on the screen now, I show you how to practice finding the basic shapes using your phone or a tablet. So have a look at that if you haven't. If you feel a bit more confident, have a go at drawing him like this. Basically, drawing out the big circle and sketching in where the big circle bit of his body goes. And then I'm just using like a carrot shape for his arm. Just looking at what shape his arm is. I'm not worried about fingers or anything like that. Just trying to get all the bits in the right place and make sure it looks kind of like equal all over. I mean, I've not done a perfect job of it because I'm still learning anyway, but it's much better than the one I've done where I've just gone in with the pen. Okay, so once you've got that, then you're going to start sketching in the details a little bit more harder. If you go wrong, use a rubber. There's no shame in using rubber until you get it right, because there's no point carrying on with pen and colouring it all in if everything's in the wrong place. So in this second one, I've taken way more time, and I've just taken my time and been really careful. And then again, it just makes it easy when you come to use your pen. You've got lines to follow, and instead of making the head a bit too tall like I did on the lower one, it's come out a bit nicer. Yeah, having the pencil line just makes it so easy, because you kind of got a guide and something to go off, and you can improve it as you go round. Whereas when you're going straight on with a pen, or even just trying to draw the right shape and all the detaily bits with pencil to start with, it's way hard. So you're better off sketching out real block shapes just to get an idea where everything goes. And it might not work for you straight away, but it really is worth practicing it. Because I think I used to follow like books of how to draw like horses or something like this, and they'll say you draw it in circles, and it doesn't look good when you do it the first few times, but it does help you to draw other things as well and get used to seeing shapes and making drawing simple for yourself. Let me know if you want me to draw any other Pokemon. I was thinking I might do like a doodle drawing of lots of Pokemon. Maybe I'll do a few drawings first, like each week, just to get better, because I'm not an expert at drawing Pokemon at all. But I really love drawing them because they're super cute. So yeah, I'd love to do a doodle drawing. And I think if I do that, I won't do it in this book. It's hard to draw in this book because there's so many pages. So it's really high up, and you can't rest your hand on the book or the flat surface very easily. It is good because they've got serrated pages, so you can rip the pages out if you want. But I kind of want to keep everything in the book. But yeah, it's hard because it aches your hand out drawing on it. So yeah, if I do a doodle drawing or draw loads of Pokemon on one page, I'll probably get some nice paper to do it on. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see some of that or who you want to see. So next up, I decided to colour in. with pencil crayon, because I don't do that very often. And I had the right colours in pencil crayon, but I don't think I really did. I don't have that many blues in Copic markers or alcohol markers. So I started off drawing all the light colours in, and then eventually going over the top with the darker bits. So I had a darker blue and a sort of darker red. So I was able to do the shadow areas. And it's nice because I'm copying from a picture, so it was nice just not to have to think about where the light's coming and think about where the shadows are. So I could just copy the picture. And I think that's another thing to getting your drawing right. You can't just think, oh, I know what Squirtle looks like. If I had to draw Squirtle from memory, it'd look awful. I have to copy a picture, and that's a really good way to learn. So yeah, there it is. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Safe. Alright, see you later. Bye.